Well, news coming in, the father of the alleged victim in Snoopgate has asked the Apex Court to quash the probe. He's also filed a petition in the Supreme Court raising infringement of privacy. Abhishek is reporting on this. Abhishek, this is not the first time that the girl's father has stepped in. We'll try and reconnect with our correspondent on the ground over there. But here's the latest that's coming in. It's a fresh twist to the Snoopgate probe. Now, the father of the alleged victim in Snoopgate has approached the Supreme Court. He's asked the Apex Court to, in fact, quash the probe. He's also filed a petition in the Supreme Court raising infringement of privacy. That also has, of course, been the point of the BJP, which has repeatedly said that neither the girl nor the girl's family in this matter have ever complained about this. In fact, the girl's father had earlier also written a letter. He'd also, a very scathing letter, in fact, had said that this amounts to infringing on the privacy of the girl and her family, and that they do not want any probe. This matter again in the Supreme Court. Abhishek is on the phone line with, is live, in fact, with us. Abhishek, take us through the details of what you're learning on this.
Well, you see, there is an affidavit that has been made by Pranlal Soni, the father of the concerned girl. And in this affidavit, he has sought that the central government not carry out any further investigation. One, that the state government is already carrying it out. And two, the more important fact that whatever surveillance was put on the girl was essentially at the request of the father himself. So it is clear that so far as the family is concerned, no law has been broken. Whatever was done for their own safety and security. And to that extent, whatever is happening now and the political circus, according to the family, that is taking shape is essentially harming their privacy, their private lives. And that is the reason why no further action should be taken. There is already a commission by the Gujarat government, and that is looking into it. And we are told that testimonies of a lot of people connected with it has already been taken. And in near future, there could be statements taken by the police officer who had provided those tapes to the central agencies. So it is clear that the family wants this matter not to be investigated by the central government, and to that extent has approached the Apex Court. And we are told that notices have been issued to both the center and the state government, and the next hearing kept for the next coming week. So it is clear that the family wants a lid to be put on the attack on privacy that was happening because of the political statements that were coming up on this Snoopgate. In fact, there was this instance of someone taking the name of the girl or the family as well, and that is what exactly the family wants not to be done. Back to you.
Absolutely, Abhishek. Thanks for joining us on that.